Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can block a client from using Wi-Fi connection. You can block many clients from using Wi-Fi from your Android mobile. That is, you got that power from your Android app that you can restrict clients users to use their internet, Wi-Fi internet. First, there could be a reason that why you will block a person. There could be many reasons. First could be that you want to download something and other person is eating your bandwidth. So it is helpful. And you can also check how many clients are joined with your Wi-Fi router. So for this you need a Wi-Fi kill app for your mobile, and it is not available in Play Store. It is blocked from Google Play Store because I don't know the exact reason. Maybe because people are misusing this app. So you have to download from net. I shall provide you a link for that. Okay, so the condition is that you should connect to that Wi-Fi network. So I am connecting with my Wi-Fi and my mobile and seeing my computer using that connection, that is Sweet Home. So let me show you how it works. Launch that app, Wi-Fi kill app. Oops. And it will take some time to scan everything. These apps run in background too and refresh all the client in every minute, so that you can check. It will automatically check how many clients are joined. So turn on this app and it will search all the clients. Right now there is only one client, that is my laptop. So let's see what happens when I block it. To block, one minute. To block, just check this. Check this box and it is blocked. Now let's see if I could use internet. Oops. No, I cannot, and it has shown that you cannot use, this particular client cannot use internet. See, let's open new site, that is Google, and it will not let you use the internet. So how to unblock the client? To unblock the client, simply uncheck this client and now it should use internet. It can use internet. Let's see one more example. Now it will run that. This is my YouTube account. You can subscribe for more. Now see, it is scanning every time and it is running in background too. Wi-Fi kill app scanning. Let's block this client again. I am checking it. This is my Facebook profile. As their check sign come, the internet has gone. The client has disconnected. To unblock, simply uncheck, and it should use internet. So that's it. You have all the power to block or unblock, like you are the Wi-Fi admin. To say that if you keep this app on, the app will run in background. See, as I told early. And if you don't want to run this app in background, that is, you have to switch off this app. So you can turn off like this. So all the clients can use the internet, the Wi-Fi again. But it does not remember those clients which you have blocked. So keep in mind that. So thanks for watching my tutorial. Hope you have learned something new, and please subscribe, rate, and you can also request for new tutorials. Have a good day.